This video demonstrates how to record medical diagnosis in RenalGenie. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. You can now record a patient's primary and secondary diseases on the medical diagnosis page. Keep in mind that you can only have one primary disease at a time, but you can add multiple secondary diseases if needed. When you add a new primary disease, the previous one will automatically change to a secondary disease. Additionally, only the active primary disease and the oldest active secondary disease will be displayed under the clinical information section of the patient profile. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay updated on the latest features and enhancements in RenalGenie.